I am Mrs. Uma Devi, MABA, working as a second grade teacher. Teaching is not just my profession, it is my passion. So, in my 16 years of teaching experience, I have achieved Sigaram Dotta Asriyakana Award and Siranda Asanukana Award. I am from Ramanathapuram district. I am proud of my district because Swami Vivekananda landed here after his famous Chicago speech and people's president's students influencer Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam belongs to the same district. My school, Panchayat Union Middle School, Mudugulathur. Mudugulathur Union. Though there are 5 private schools in our town, our school functions as the model school, having 150 students with its own standard of education. It is difficult for me to bring out the expert learning outcomes from all the children as the teaching learning process in my class consists of around 50 students from class 1st, 2nd and 3rd. So to make my teaching learning process easy, I have tried new techniques and strategies to read and write both in Tamil and English from standard first. My solution. There are totally 51 students in my class, including standard, first, second, and third altogether. I myself have to handle 13 subjects, so to handle the situation, I concentrate more on the first standard students for the reading and writing accuracy in Tamil and in English, so that the other two classes second and third will do the activity on their own individually or in groups without teachers' help. As the students of second and third read and write on their own, there is no choice in the multi-grade classroom. It is easy for me to facilitate all the 3 classes at the same time. ZIIEI training encourage teachers to think creatively and come up with many new ideas and techniques to improve the learning outcomes of students with zero investment of money. I have participated in the ZIIEI exhibition held in Ramanathapuram. I am interested to share my new ideas and techniques which helped in my students to achieve their learning outcomes with other teachers so that the many teachers and students will be benefited. Mr. Magesh Balan cascaded the training very well. He explained everything clearly and clarifies doubts with patience then and there. Only through the best resource person this training reached the students. Thank you Magesh Balan sir for all the credits we have received from parents. Role model school. My school functions as the role model school from the beginning of the ABL methodology. All the classrooms are very attractive with colorful pictures on the wall. Students' artworks are displayed around the classroom. All the classrooms are ventilated inside of for ventilate with all the need facilities for the teaching learning process. Make my teaching very interesting and easy. I have made resource corner where all my teaching aids are available at any time. The mini library in our school enriches the reading ability of our students. We celebrate all the national and religious festivals, cultural events are also conducted in all the celebration so that the students understand the secular nature of our nation. Our students do role play to celebrate the birthday of national leaders. We also conduct annual day every year where we display the talents of our children. Co-curricular activities like karate, yoga, Bharatanatyam, art and craft are also our main focus. In our school, students started to read both Tamil and English fluently from the first standard itself. It's because I teach them reading through phonics with action. So, students read happily with confidence without any hesitation. I have participated in ZIEA exhibition with my innovative idea in teaching Tamil alphabet with action. All the other participants appreciate me and my students. All inspecting officials appreciate our students' achievement in all aspects. All the parents felt happy to enroll their children in our school because we have taken more efforts to conduct online class during the COVID situation. Does not only have its excellence in teaching learning process but also excels in the cleanliness, sanitation, health and hygiene of students. We have smart classroom where we teach through computers. We also teach through different activities like role play, Bommalatam and Villupattu. Our students are expertised in these activities. We have all the necessary amenities for teaching learning process and utilized properly. Enrollment have increased every year. So our school is being identified as the model school. So we believe that you will announce our school as the role model school. I would like to thank Arabindo Society and HDFC for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.